Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Mullins in St. Peter, Barbados. Here you will find this enchanting 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home for sale, situated on a generous 17,879 square feet lot with a total living space of 4,073 square feet. This residence is more than just a home. It's a canvas awaiting your personal touch. The main house features a thoughtful layout that caters to both functionality and comfort. The master bedroom boasts a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, providing a private retreat within the confines of your home. Two guest rooms share a spacious bathroom, making it perfect for accommodating family and guests. The highlight of this property lies in its untapped potential, with a 1,249 square feet unfinished basement that can have its own entrance, ready to be transformed into a spacious apartment. There is also an enclosed garage and a dedicated laundry area, ensuring that daily tasks are seamlessly integrated into the rhythm of your lifestyle. The high ceilings and cedarwood shingle roof adds character to the home. Step outside onto the breezy back patio, offering a serene retreat overlooking a lush gully. Convenience is at your doorstep with beaches, restaurants, and other amenities, all within a quick 5 minutes drive. This is not just a home, it's an opportunity to craft the lifestyle you have always dreamed of. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 550,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.